Is CostGifter.com a total scam, or can you actually trust them with your money? Let's cut through all the hype and get to the facts, fast. First off, when I checked out CostGifter.com, I noticed something pretty alarming. Their Trustpilot rating is sitting between 1.2 and 1.6 stars. That's incredibly low for any online retailer, and it's not just a fluke. Real people are leaving reviews, and the complaints are piling up. So what are people saying? Well, the big red flag is non-delivery. Shoppers pay for items, and those items never show up. Others have received cheap knockoffs or the totally wrong products. And if you try to reach out for help, good luck. Customer service is basically a ghost town, another thing that put me on alert. CostGifter.com's prices are almost too good to be true. Super low prices are a classic tactic for scam sites. They lure you in, take your cash, and then vanish. Plus, the website's pretty new. Scammers love to set up shop, rake in some quick money, then disappear and pop up under a new name once the bad reviews roll in. So, if you're thinking about buying from CostGifter.com, here's what I recommend. Always search for real reviews on sites like Trustpilot or Hello Peter before you hit that checkout button. Check that the store lists a physical address and a working phone number, not just some sketchy email. And pay with something that's got your back, like a credit card or PayPal, so you can dispute charges if things go wrong. Bottom line, right now, CostGifter.com is looking like a high-risk bet. Protect your money and your peace of mind.